Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can delete your like from someone's post in Instagram app. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also write your comments after watching. Be sure to put your likes under the video. And let's get started. So friends, if you're in the Instagram app, you've come to your posts and messages section. And you see that there are notes at the top, and you might have accidentally liked someone's note. Then how do you delete it? It's very easy and simple to do that, friends. To do that, you're going to have to click once on the note, and you're going to open up a little window like this. And then you're going to have to click on this heart sign to remove the like. As you can see, now there's no likes on the note. This is the very simple and quick method that you can use, friends, to easily remove the likes from any post on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful for you friends. Please don't forget to write your comments, put your likes under this video, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.